This lecture from ABC book. I will discuss step by step. You follow here. Condensation of ammonia derived from glutamate deamination. I already discussed from Lippincott. So condensation of ammonia and carbon dioxide in mitochondria to form carbamoyl phosphate by carbamoyl phosphate synthase on. So this step done by carbamoyl phosphate synthase on. Here ATP is consumed and ATP is converted into ADP. Now carbamoyl phosphate is synthesized. Now second step is condensation of carbamoyl phosphate with and ornithine in mitochondria to form cytolin by ornithine trans carbamoylase. So condensation of ornithine with carbamoyl phosphate, ultimately formation of this cytolin. Then cytolin comes to the cytoplasm from the mitochondrial matrix. So this up to this reaction done in the cytoplasm, and up to this cytolin reaction done in the mitochondrial matrix. Now cytolin is converted into arganosuccinate, then arginate is synthesized, and ornithine is synthesized. Then ornithine re-enters into the mitochondrial matrix. Here arganosuccinate to arginine we can get fumarate, and arginine to ornithine we can get urea. This urea enters into blood, and from the blood it wash out through the kidney as urine. So through the kidney we wash out urea. That's why in case of chronic kidney disease or kidney failure, teacher will ask you in the Viva exam, in case of chronic kidney disease, which substances increase in our body during urea cycle. In the urea cycle, this urea concentration increase in our body in case of chronic kidney disease, as this urea wash out through the kidney. In case of chronic kidney disease, this urea cannot be washed out properly. That's why urea concentration in our body is increased. As urea cycle occurs in the liver, that's why in case of liver failure, this one also a Viva question. In case of liver failure, this cycle occurs in liver. So if liver failure occur, which substance increases, which substance concentration increases in our body? You answer this: ammonia, as ammonia and carbon dioxide cannot be condensed to carbamoyl phosphate. Even this cycle cannot be done properly. That's why ammonia concentration is increased in our blood, in our body, in case of chronic kidney disease. In case of chronic liver disease (CLD), like liver cirrhosis condition. In case of chronic liver disease, this ammonia concentration is increased in our body. That's why teacher will ask you, in case of chronic kidney disease, which substances increase? In case of chronic liver disease, which substances increase? You answer that in case of chronic kidney disease, urea concentration is increased. In case of chronic liver disease, ammonia concentration increased in our body. This ammonia is toxic. That's why this up to this cytolin synthesis occurs in our mitochondrial matrix. This ammonia is more toxic. That's why this cycle up to this cytolin done in mitochondrial matrix. There is another Viva question. From which step we can get urea? You answer this step: arginine to ornithine. Teacher will ask you another name of urea cycle. You answer another name of the urea cycle is ornithine cycle. Um, I think up to this enough for your region as well as Viva exam. You already memorize. You also memorize this salient feature. Uh, this compartment follow here. Compartment is mitochondria as well as cytoplasm. Urea cycle done in mitochondria as well as cytoplasm, and site is liver. Substrate ammonia, product is urea. This salient feature you memorize, and teacher will ask you in this cycle and also ask you about chronic liver disease and chronic kidney disease, which substances increase in our body, and which is in which step we can get urea. This I will ask you. Thank you.